Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be continuing on with the depression clean, and today we are tackling the worst room in my house, which is what I'm calling my depression cave, aka my office. I'm embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed to be showing this to you guys, but we're gonna get it all cleaned today. It might be a 2-day process, I don't know. Also, I am filming this on my phone because I can't find my camera. I have been filming a couple things for this channel, including like a health video, so when I work out, I'd be filming it in there. I can't find it, so I'm just gonna show you guys on my phone what this room looks like and then hopefully prop this up and get to cleaning. But I hope that this video motivates you to clean your house and declutter a couple areas and just tackle that area that has been, that really big task that you haven't been wanting to do. It's new year, new you, new house. So yeah, let's get into cleaning. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, it's bad, I know. It's bad. It is very bad. So this is what my vanity looks like. I mean, it's just a hot mess. My dog gets into my trash, so I have trash all over. I need to empty that. I think what I'm going to tackle first is the trash, and then we'll move on to all of that.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl.
So I'm starting behind my desk. I actually did do my trash, but my phone didn't record it, so I'm just doing all this. I had like an entire bag of trash by the end of this, you guys. So I'm just getting all these cords collected and put it in the cord/technology drawer of my desk, and it just is so satisfying.
Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 Pilot t-shirt, got some stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. 'Cause if you've seen her.
This was the part I was absolutely dreading, but it needed to be done. My desk in my office is the place where I do all my work, and I eat here, and I have like lunch here, and it's just a catch-all at this point. And I needed more space, and I just needed to clean up, the tea from breakfast, and then some knickknacks that just were laying on the desk.
We wish that we had, yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. If my highs are highs, my lows are low. Need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on. 'Cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
So before we
I'm gonna drink all night and then I'm gonna let the tears fall down. I'm gonna dance all night, yeah. I'm gonna let it all out. I'm gonna drink all night and then I'm gonna let the tears fall down. I'm gonna let it all out. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
Like a cherry limeade? I want it carbonated though, so I need to get like a carbonated bit, like a carbonated water, and put it in there and like experiment with that, because for whatever reason I think strawberry limeade carbonation, so it tastes a little flat to me, but that's just me. But he has a couple of different flavors and he's coming out with a couple more. I do his protein as well, but since it's the new year and I'm into health right now, I thought I'd mention it. It's not sponsored. He doesn't even know I exist, but I do want to share it with all of you because hydration is important and health is too. So let's get back into cleaning.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look that way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it. You made it easier each day. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me when I'm stuck here on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do now. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, into space.
And this is the after, you guys. It's just night and day. I have not seen this room so clean in a while. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.